Hello guys, today I want to bring everybody to my blog where we are going to travel. That is Jaipur. We are gonna go to Jaipur, so before that, here we are. Everyone is busy with their own stuff, arranging.
India from Delhi to Rajasthan.
Delhi to Rajasthan. Okay.
So this is
Uh,
food
okay.
for the lunch.
Mm.
We have special.
Little bit inconvenient in camera. I'm sorry that.
Yeah. This is our blanket.
Okay. These are the night we will remember. My father told me no.
This is a simply decoration.
Jumbo.
So it's only a one night decoration. We
Ah.
are going to change tomorrow night again.
Okay. Wow, wonderful.
Wow! Welcome to my channel.
Woo! My wow, this is our church where we used to have fellowship.
Yes.
You can take video clicking. Okay.
Yeah. Dia talamia first.
Taking some
Life is no good. Yeah, no good now. Then you click to there. Sleep nicely.
Hello.
No, not correct. You.
Here. Girls are arriving here. Nitu, Ichi, Alia Santa, Toya, Fuya.
No, I'm not Sonia. You only.
Yes. Okay.
I don't know how come.
Here is Edu boy. Who's going to Edu away? So here is Thomas.
Hello, this is our favorite drink, Bisleri. What?
That's for everybody, right?
Yeah.
Here's the pool. The pool.
Yo. Let's enjoy, man.
Let's enjoy the view of night. City. Okay. Okay. No, you take on my blog, okay?
Huh?
On my blog.
I'm taking.
Okay. So walking like this, how do you feel, everyone? Very nice, right? Momoy from Burma, right? Yeah, Burma. I was rushing for taking the video. It's too dark that could not see clearly. Oh, here we came. We have reached where we are going to move out. Where is our bus? Over there. I believe that. Good morning, uncle. We are gonna wait a few moments.
We are in the moment of hypostatic.
Yeah. Wow. What a beautiful and handsome.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Blanket again.
Woo. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Oh, it looked like ambulance. Our bus look like ambulance. This look like really ambulance. Okay. For me, I have to sit nearby the door because I usually have a headache. Yeah, when I'm during traveling. Where should I sit?
Just like ambulance, yeah.
Yeah. It look like ambulance, right?
No, this one is good.
Emergency ambulance.
ये रहा ये.
Okay, we have reached to Jaipur. Welcome to Jaipur. Okay, then this is the King College. Up there, this is a King College. We will be visiting. Right now, we will be climbing up. Okay, let's go. Let's move. Another 10 years than to meet someone else. I will wait. I will wait. See, now we are on this one temple. After this, we are going to climb up again to this. Yeah, this will be the last, I believe. Wow, it look like. Yeah, it is look like the Great Wall of China. Okay, we'll be moving back now from here. Here, our boys taking the post. Look at the views. Wow, awesome. Everywhere. Now we are going up. We will be moving up to the wall. There, out there. This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. Finally, we have reached to the top. Hello. No. We have reached to the middle. Bono. I hope we will enjoy a lot. Look at the view, look at the mountain, the wall. Wow, wonderful. Yo. Kado, please take it some. Pakakalo. 1 minute. John. Take 1 minute. Take some round here. Come on. This is the Great Wall.
I want to put here, yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Jodha's nephew Mansingh, when he became the emperor of here, and Akbar appointed him as a chief army commander in his army, he won lot of states like Afghanistan, Bengal, Deccan. In Afghanistan, he looted lot of treasure and gold. That looted treasure and gold taken by the Indira Gandhi in 1976 from that fort. The one movie came based on that, Badshah.
Yeah.
There is one song, Tere Ras Ke Kamar. Very famous. Young boy, Ileana D'Cruz is there. Okay. So Mansingh started to build this palace in 1590 and it's completed in 1727. So it took almost 137 years to build. It's a World Heritage Site. In 1727, the king of here, that name is Jai Singh, built a new city called Jaipur. So now 2021, so Jaipur is only 290 year old. Before there is no Jaipur city. In 1885, when the British king came here, our king painted all the Jaipur city in a pink color. So after that it's called Pink City. 1950, they give this fort to the government and they shifted to the city palace. Still the king is living in the city palace. Not only this palace is a World Heritage Site by the UNESCO, this city also the World Heritage City. The city is famous for their art, culture, music, dance and handicrafts. They are very famous artists. They recognize in the world for their art. The Gulabo here, are you here the Gulabo dancer? She is doing a Kalbelia dance, the snake dance. Arjun Prajapati, he's got the Padam Shri, he make the marble ideal. Kader Baksa, these tribal people are famous for block printing. Are you know about the block printing? Have you seen the block printing in the past times? That time there is no machine. These tribal people on fabric, they stamp and make, printed by the blocks. So this is the ancient art. He got the Rashtrapati Puruskar, means President Award. In 1970, he gave one quilt to our queen, that is named Gayatri Devi. She is the most beautiful woman in the world. And he got the President Award for that quilt, means blanket. That is world famous. Your ticket is valid for the two things. One is palace, and after the palace, are you looking to Jodha Palace near to the small building? That is the area that the artists, very famous artists, they are showing their art like block printing and everything. And there is a bazaar also of the local people. So that also we see. We go by the, I think we come by the jeep, we go by the jeep, we see, and after that we can come back also. The two things are included in this. First this and second is this. We see both the things. Okay. Now take 2 minutes photograph here of the fort, then we move. Take the photograph here. Group photo, not here group photo inside. I know the point. Okay? Here also. Take it.
Give one come first. So everyone stand together. It will become closer. Wait. Sir, come.
Temple built after that, this fort is built. This Kali ideal appeared in Bay of Bengal. Now the place in Bangladesh. When that Mansingh is not getting the victory, he worship Kali and Kali come in the dream and bless him. After that he get the victory in Bengal. Till that time, every day the sacrifice done here. Sacrifice bali hota hai yahan. Samajh gaye? One goat is cut every day in morning. Continue per day. 5 o'clock. And one wine bottle. Because Kali Ma has to wine bottle is served every day. Then this temple is open for the common man. That time the king and queen, they like aroma. Aroma means smell. But that time no perfumes. That time essential oil. In perfume there is a chemical or alcohol. So that can't serve to the goddess. That time the it will also serve to the goddess.
अभी
सर अंदर फोटोग्राफी काम आ जाएगा सर, ले जाओ अंदर फोटोग्राफी देखो
हाँ
ले जाओ
कितना है
ले जाओ 150 सर बिग साइज 150
It's fine it's fine
कौन जब कर ले वो या नहीं जब ये लिखा हुआ है बाहर जब यहाँ पढ़ो
This is the palace, King Palace.
The first one is the ground, that's called parade ground. The army is doing parade there, in the ground where we meet. This is the second courtyard and this is called Diwan-e-Aam. Diwan-e-Aam means where the king is meet with the common man. Please come together. मेरा वॉइस इतना नहीं है, वहाँ तक चल जाएगा. फोटो ले लीजिएगा, 10 मिनट मिलेंगे फोटो के लिए. और अगर आपको खाली रास्ता ही दिखाना है तो मैं समझाऊंगा नहीं, मैं रास्ता दिखा दूंगा, मेरे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. No? When you go there, you can
This is the King Palace.
see that carpet over there, and the public is gathered here. While the court is going on, the queens
building
also,
still
the ladies
stands
also want
still.
to see what happening here.
Here.
This is top of the gate. Because of the net, nobody can't see the face of the queen, but the queen can see outside. This gate is world famous. Whenever internet you open Jaipur, this gate come on front page. And this gate is famous for their beauty. And that beauty because of that painting. That painting is 400-year-old. It's not renovated, not recolored. Three organizations. Rajasthali, Rajasthan government, RTDC, Rajasthan Tourism Department, and Tribes of India. Tribes of India in your state also, by the Indian government, the local state. The one is with our ticket, the RTDC. When we go there, we see that block printing stuff as well. Now you take the photograph. Now the time is 9 o'clock, 9:10. I just clap and you can come over there. Okay.